You guys, this is a miracle piece. You girls, you can do it. Just get under your machine, get your tools, and get it done. Get it done. I had airbags installed, and very quickly during my trip I realized there was something wrong with the right side airbag. So now I'm gonna look at the issue and attempt to fix it.
1, 2, 3, un pasito para adelante. 1, 2, 3, un pasito para atrás.
Let's do this.
Un pasito para adelante, un pasito para atrás. Un pasito para adelante, un pasito para atrás.
Getting under the Minnie. Okay. Okay. So here's the problem. There is a tiny, tiny hole on the right airbag, and that's what I'm gonna try to fix. So now with the tubing cutter in place, we're just gonna cut one section there and another section here. And then after these sections are cut, I'm going to join it with this piece. So, and this is a very tight space, so hard to do, but it has to be done. And cut it first, the tubing cutter, and then get the pieces together. So the tubing cutter didn't work. The razor blade is a better option. And there we go. That's the first cut. Now I need to cut on the other side and now I can show you a close-up of the hole. Where I can say, wow, it's a nice, perfect round hole. That's weird. How did that happen? There we go. Because of this, I couldn't use my airbags for most of my trip. And I got the airbags right before the trip to use them, of course. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the other piece. So, right there. There we go. Wow, that's a beautiful cup. With the union in place on one side, you just stick it in really hard.
Stop!
Okay, now I stick the other part really hard. Okay, now it is in. You guys, this is a miracle piece. You just stick it in really hard, and if you want to pull it out, you won't be able to. Look at this. This, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. You guys, this was not hard. You girls, you can do it. Just get under your machine, get your tools, and get it done. Get it done. Okay, Now I'm gonna go get the air pump and test if this worked. So next time I need to wear something different. Oh. Okay, what do we have to do with batteries? Okay, cool. Oh man, this slider would be nice to have. I'm being born out of my Minnie. Ah. Ah. I think I'm out. Alright. So I'm out of my RV. Let's go and try the air pump now. This is the moment of the truth with my air pump, and we're gonna do both of them because I deflated both before. Test how much I have.